Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you exercise 1.1. Question says, following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. So this is a number line, and here Lahore Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty, Bangalore, and this number line here is 0, and to the left of 0 we write negative numbers -5, -10, and the distance between 0 and -5 have been divided into 5 equal parts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, to the right of 0 we write positive number: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Here also the distance between 0 and 5 have been divided into 5 equal parts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So we have to write the temperature of the places marked on the number line. So first place is Lahore Spiti. Lahore Spiti. Here is -5, then 1 mark, add. So -5 plus -1, -6, then -7, then -8. So this is your -8 degrees Celsius. Second place is Srinagar. Srinagar. 0, then -1, -2. -2 degrees Celsius. Then Shimla. Shimla. Shimla is clearly at 5. So 5 degrees Celsius. This is positive, plus 5 degrees Celsius. But plus is not written. So this is simply 5 degrees Celsius. Then Ooty. Ooty. It is at what place? 10th here. Then 11, 12, 13 and 14. So 14 degree Celsius. Ooty. The next one is Bangalore. Bangalore. Bangalore is at 20, 21, 22. 22 degrees Celsius. So in this way we can read the temperature of different places written on the number line. Now next question, part B. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? So here Lahore Spiti -8 degrees Celsius, Srinagar -2 degrees Celsius, Shimla 5 degrees Celsius, Ooty 14 degrees Celsius, Bangalore 22 degrees Celsius. So 22 degrees Celsius is the big number out of these numbers. So hottest place is Bangalore. Hottest place Bangalore. It is 22 degrees Celsius. Now come to coldest. Coldest place is our Lahore Spiti -8 degrees Celsius. Then -2 degrees Celsius is Srinagar. So coldest is Lahore Spiti. So coldest place Lahore Spiti. Lahore Spiti. This is what? minus 8 degree Celsius. Don't confuse here. In negative sign, as you go up, that is greater number, then temperature is minimum. Here is 2 and here is 8. So this is the minimum temperature and this is here maximum temperature. So minus 8 degrees Celsius, in between 2 degree and 8 degrees Celsius is the least temperature. So difference. -22 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius. 22 degree minus plus 8 degrees Celsius. 22 plus 8, 30 degrees Celsius. Now, part C of question number 1. Part C says the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. We have to find out the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. So Lahul Spiti minus 8 degrees Celsius and Srinagar minus 2 degrees Celsius. So temperature difference between these two places is minus 2 degrees Celsius minus 8 degree Celsius. Because this is big number and this is a small number. So we always subtract a small number from big number. So 2 degrees Celsius minus 2 minus into minus plus 8. So 8 minus 2, 6 degrees Celsius. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla? ठीक है? कहता है कि क्या श्रीनगर और शिमला का टेम्परेचर इकट्ठा लिया जाए तो क्या यह शिमला के टेम्परेचर से कम होगा? Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla? तो जब दोनों का टेम्परेचर इकट्ठे लेंगे तो क्या वह शिमला के टेम्परेचर से कम है या ज्यादा है? तो देखते हैं. So temperature of Srinagar first. Srinagar minus 2, Srinagar. This is what? Minus 2 degrees Celsius. Then temperature of Simla. Temperature of Simla is minus 5 degrees Celsius. So temperature of Shimla 5 degrees Celsius. Taken together means I have to add it positive. So total temperature 5 minus 2 3 and we put the sign of greater number or bigger number 5. So here is no sign means plus, so here is plus. So total temperature of Srinagar and Simla is 3 degrees Celsius. But the temperature of Simla is 5 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Simla is 5 degrees Celsius. So when temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature of Simla. So answer is yes, because 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius. So when we take the temperature of Srinagar and Simla, together, its temperature reduces than the temperature of cylinder. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jacks scored in 5 successive rounds where 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? So, these are the marks given to Jack. In 5 successive rounds, first round he got 25, in second round he got minus 5, in third round he got minus 10, then fourth and fifth round he got the number. So I have to find out what was his total at the end. So this is very simple. We have to simply add these numbers. So total marks at the end equal to, in first round he got 25 plus negative numbers you put within the bracket, minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Now solve it. 25 plus into minus, minus 5 plus into minus, minus 10, then plus 15 plus 10. Now you add all the positive numbers, 25, then 15, then 10. So 25 plus 15 will give you 40. 40 plus 10, 50. Minus, now you add negative numbers, minus 5, minus 10. It will give you minus 15. So write down here minus 15. Now you subtract 15 from 50. So 10 minus 5, 5, 4 minus 1, 3. So his marks at the end is 35. Now question third. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped down by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? We have to find out the temperature on Tuesday. So, temperature on Monday. On Monday, it is minus 5 degrees Celsius, and then drop down by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Temperature dropped down on Tuesday by 2 degrees Celsius. So we put minus sign because temperature is decreasing. So temperature on Tuesday, on Tuesday, both are negative numbers. So when two negatives we add, minus 5 plus 2, 7 degrees Celsius. Now it is said on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? So we have to find out the temperature on Wednesday. So temperature on Wednesday, temperature is rising by how much? 4 degrees Celsius. So plus 4 degrees Celsius. Now temperature on Wednesday. Temperature on Wednesday rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So temperature on Wednesday equal to 7 minus 4, 3. We put minus sign because 7 is more than 4. So we put always minus sign. And if there is one negative number and one positive number, then we take the difference. So 7 minus 4, 3, and sign the number which is more. Here 7 is more than 4. So sign of negative is put here. So temperature on Wednesday is minus 3 degrees Celsius. Next, question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 12 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? So first we draw. This is submarine. Here we construct a submarine. And here is sea level. Here is plane. A plane is this is plane. So a plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. So distance between sea level and this plane is 5,000 meters. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine, floating 1200 meters below the sea level. So sea level is here and submarine is at 1200 meters from the sea level, because submarine swims under the water. So this distance is 1200 meters. Now we have to find out the vertical distance, that is from here to here. We have to find this distance. So vertical distance equal to, this is 5,000 meters plus this is 1200 meters. Add it, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, again 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 0, 2, 1 plus 5, 6, 6,200 meters. This is the vertical distance. Next question, 5. Mohan deposits rupees 2,000 in his bank account and withdraw rupees 1,642 from it. The next step, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative number, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after withdraw. So what you have to do? First you write this amount in the amount credited and write this amount in second row, amount debited, and put a minus sign or negative sign before 1642 because this amount has been withdrawn by Mohan. So first amount credited 2000. Amount debited minus 1642. Balance. Ten minus 2, 8, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 6, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. So, this is 358 rupees.